Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file. I asked them to off Facebook. And these holes are different sizes from 70 to 25 millimeters in 5-degree increments. This hole needs to remain the same. For the one I'm doing it for in your email, you said it was 10 millimeters. Well, this one's actually 15. So I'm going to leave it that. You can always check the hole size. Even when they're ungrouped, you can do that right there, and you can go. So that one's 70 millimeters. The last one is 10 millimeters now, or 25. So his problem is he wants them to all look like this shape. These last shape, and especially the last one, he said look more like a rectangle than this. I've already done it a couple of times just to make sure it works. I'm going to take this one. I'm going to make sure it's grouped together. Okay, it's grouped together. And then I'm going to take this one here. I'm going to change my nudge factor to like to 100. And I don't know about millimeters. I hit the plus key on the keyboard. Now I'm going to ungroup it. And I'm going to change this hole to 25 with my ratio lock. Now that kind of looks funny. Control G, and I don't know if I need to take it any further. But because this one's 70 millimeters and that one's 25, and there's 10 of these things, we've already got 2 drawings. We're going to go to Effects and Blend, and we're going to blend them 8 times. And there you go. Now I'm going to go up to Object, break the blend apart, and actually go up to Object and ungroup them because they're grouped together. So if we look, this one is 70 millimeters. This one, which we made, is 25 millimeters. But if we look, so this is 70, 65, and this will be 60. It's proportionally doing it. That's 50, so it's working perfect. So this is 25, this is 30, this should be 35. So it's working correctly. We can just take all that and take away the fill. Now, the only thing that I see that he might not want, now let's say this is a gasket. I have no clue what it's for. This is overkill on the size, but we could quite possibly, and if he needs more help, reduce this in size, because they're all the same size, and he kind of mentioned smaller, but I don't know if he meant the holes or the whole thing or just the holes need to be the same. And these are all 10, well, they're 15 millimeters. He said in his email that they were 10, but that's easily changed if that's correct. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.